Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Arlo Video Doorbell 2K, a second-generation device promising sharper video and enhanced features. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Starting off with the design, the Arlo Video Doorbell 2K sports a sleek, rectangular form factor with rounded edges. It's a bit chunky due to its built-in battery, which, by the way, is non-removable. This might inconvenience some users who need to recharge it periodically. Installation was straightforward. It supports both battery and hardwired setups. I particularly like the included wire extension kit, making it versatile for various doorbell configurations. Now, let's talk performance. The standout feature here is its 2K resolution, delivering crisp and clear video footage with vibrant HDR colors. The 180-degree diagonal field of view ensures comprehensive coverage, leaving very little room for anyone to approach unnoticed. During my testing, the 12x digital zoom proved handy for zooming in on details without losing clarity. Night vision, while effective, could be a bit blurry with slight motion, but it still managed to capture facial details and even text on objects. Audio performance was impressive. The microphone delivered clear two-way communication, and the speaker, though loud, might be a tad too much for some scenarios, especially with its built-in siren. Moving on to smart home integration, Arlo supports Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, which allows for seamless integration with smart displays like the Amazon Echo Show or Google Nest Hub. However, it lacks compatibility with Apple HomeKit and Samsung SmartThings, which might be a drawback for some users. The Arlo Secure app is where you manage everything. It's intuitive, offering features like smart activity zones and the ability to adjust video quality. However, many of the more advanced features, such as specific detection alerts and extended cloud storage, require a subscription. This might be a deal breaker for those looking to maximize the device's capabilities without additional costs. Battery life is estimated at around 6 months under optimized settings, assuming minimal daily recording. Recharging, however, requires removing the entire unit, which could be inconvenient. In conclusion, the Arlo Video Doorbell 2K impresses with its high-resolution camera, solid performance in both day and night conditions, and extensive smart home integrations. However, the dependency on a subscription for essential features and the non-removable battery are notable downsides. If you're already invested in the Arlo ecosystem and don't mind the subscription model, this doorbell offers a robust set of features that can compete with other leading brands in the market. Just be prepared to factor in ongoing costs beyond the initial purchase. That wraps up our review of the Arlo Video Doorbell 2K. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.